Welcome. Today I am with Apple AirTag and I will show you how we can check model number of this device. We got the two ways how we can make it. The first one, when you get this box, you can find the model number right here. When you throw it away, you can open this AirTag. So how we can make it, just put it like that, press, and then you have to turn it on the left, right here on this side. So let's make it. When you make it correctly, it will pops just like that. We have to remove the battery. And let me zoom in. I think that right now we can find the model number. It's right here in this place. And also we can check if it is correctly. And as you can see, yeah, yes it is. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next videos.